This is Keycloak, the identity and access management layer that runs our entire Helix platform. It's just starting up now, and every user, every role, every permission. Standard OIDC login, username, password, JWT token back. This is the admin console, the master control panel. We're in the master realm now. This is the God view. You see everything from here. Server info shows us Keycloak 24 running on Java 17. And here's the magic. One Keycloak instance, 6 business realms. Each business gets its own realm, its own users, roles, and clients. 420 Wholesale, Artemis Head Shop in Lucerne, BlowUp in Litauen, each one completely isolated. Let's look inside the POS realm. 9 users, each with specific roles. Pam is a cashier, Ralph is a manager, Michael is a developer. The system knows exactly what each person can do. Alina here has 2 roles, POS, point of sale cashier, and POS, point of sale manager. The cashier role lets her process transactions up to 10% discount. The manager role gives her full product management and reporting. This is real RBAC, role-based access control. 3 custom clients, the mobile app, the service account for back-end operations, and the web application for point-of-sale terminals. Each has its own OAuth 2 configuration, its own scopes, its own permissions. Quick tour of the other businesses. Each one gets the same treatment, their own realm, their own identity. When we onboard a new client, we spin up a realm, configure their roles, and they're live. This is what makes HelixNet a real multi-tenant platform. Back to master, 6 realms, 1 platform. This is the foundation that everything else builds on. SAP charges 6 figures for this. We built it with open source, and therefore it's free for you and me.